Hello everyone, the purpose of this video is to show you how to import your courses from last fall into your Canvas courses for this fall. So first of all, on the portal there is a link to get directly to the Canvas website. You can also navigate to the Canvas website at https://vsc.instructure.com. Now, when you go to the Canvas website, your dashboard is not going to look like this, obviously. You are going to see the course cards for your fall courses, and then if you used Moodle last fall, and if you use Moodle for anything more than just the grade book, you will see course cards for all of your converted Moodle courses for last year. Obviously, if you didn't use Moodle at all, there was nothing to convert, and if you used only the grade book, then your courses were not converted. So if you do see courses from last year that you're going to be able to import into your fall classes, then this video is for you. If you don't have anything to convert, then we would need to look at a different video about how you would start from the beginning to create your courses. If you want to see only your fall courses here on the dashboard, which I assume you would, this is the way to make that happen. So if you click on the courses icon here and click on all courses, and you'll notice up at the top I have a long list of courses that are not my fall courses. Down at the bottom I have my fall courses, and the thing that you'll see that's different here is these have the star selected and these have the star deselected. When you first look at your list, the star will be selected on all of your courses. That's why you can see all of them on your dashboard. So just go down through the list, and anything that you don't want to see on your dashboard, just deselect the star. So you'll probably want to see only your fall courses and maybe this VSC Quick Starter Guide with some information about Canvas. So leave the star selected on the courses that you want to see on your dashboard. Now when you click the name of your course on your fall courses, you're going to see something that looks like this. A Canvas course is truly an empty course until you add something to it or import content. Moodle courses were a little different. They were defaulted with weeks and the correct dates for the weeks for the semester that we would be entering. That is not the case with Canvas. With Canvas, you can create a weekly format if you want to. You can create a topics format. You can create a weekly and topics format, which is sort of what I do. So in order to get your fall course into your fall 18 into your fall 19 course, we're going to follow this procedure. Now, even though we didn't use Canvas last fall, all of our Moodle classes were converted to Canvas. So we're going to say add existing content. Then we're going to select one, and again we're going to select copy a Canvas course because even though we didn't use Canvas, our courses have been converted to Canvas. Then we're going to select a course. We're obviously going to select the fall course from last year that matches our fall course for this year. Then we're going to say all content, probably going to want to pull all content in, and we're going to click import. I'm not going to click that because I don't want to import. But if you click import and you're on a fast internet connection, the course will import in the blink of an eye. I was surprised at how quickly it does import. So copy a Canvas course, select the course you want to import, all content, import. And once you do that, you're going to see something that looks like this. Now this is one of my spring courses from last year that I'm using as a demo here. And we'll notice that Canvas converts some things better than other things. As I said, Canvas doesn't default to a weekly format. So any of the weekly modules that we had, either if we had some writing in them other than the week, that came in. But down here, you'll see that there's nothing in these spaces where we would typically have seen the dates for the week. So if we come up here, we can see that videos did convert, files convert, our online office, discussion forums, any of those things converted pretty well. Another thing that did not convert, or seemingly didn't convert very well, was anything that we put into a summary or a label. That converts as a page in Canvas, but you can see here that Canvas didn't know what to do with all of this information, so it put it into a format that doesn't look very attractive. However, if I click on this to open it, you'll see that up here it's got this in a format that's not attractive, but down here it tried to bring it in the format that I had it in Moodle. So we'll look in a minute to see how we can fix some of those things. So again, what you see here is what converted from Moodle into Canvas. Now again, using this same course as a demo, I'll show you how you can get into your converted class and begin to make some changes. The thing that I did first was to decide, do you want to use a weekly format? Do you want to use a topics format? Do you want to use some combination of those things? And I set that basic structure up first. So Canvas doesn't come in with a defaulted week 0 the way Moodle did. So I decided to create that. You're going to click on these 3 dots, which always means there's a menu, and you're going to say Edit. And in saying Edit, you can change this text to anything you want. I don't want to change it right now, but you can change it to anything you want. So I came down through here and said week 1 and put the dates in. And again, I did that simply by clicking here and editing. So if we look back over here, we'll say that up here, I would say Edit, and I would get rid of this, and I would say, and since I've already done this, it'll remember it, say this, and say update the module. Now if you look over here and remember what happened with all of the unformatted text that was here in my week 1 assignment schedule, and if we look at it now, I've deleted that text on an edit, and I was able to go in and format this so it looks the way I want it to look. Now, one of the things that's different is in Moodle, this label information would have shown up directly on the Moodle website. Here, the students have to click on the page to open it and see the information. But you can edit the label information so that it does look the way you want it to look. Now in another video we'll look at editing other information that comes in differently than you want it to. If you have simply a file, that file will come in exactly as it was in Moodle, and your videos, or at least for me, the videos came in the way they were in Moodle. So those were not an issue. Same thing with discussion forums. Now over here you'll notice that this says unpublish and publish. Those are the Canvas words for show and hide as Moodle used. So the course is obviously unpublished. This is a spring course, and it's a spring course from last year. But all you would do to publish the course would be to simply click here. So unpublished, and when you're ready to publish your fall courses, you'll simply click Publish here. So hopefully this was useful information for you. Again, there's a lot more that we have to think about in updating our courses once they are imported. But this is basically how to import your fall course from last year into your fall course from this year and be ready to edit the course. So I hope this was useful for you.